If you're getting that you can only use Spotify abroad for 14 days message, don't panic. It just means Spotify thinks you've been outside your account's home country for too long. It's a common thing and pretty easy to fix. First, go to Spotify.com on your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, click your profile picture at the top right, then choose Account from the menu. That'll take you to your account overview. Next, look for the option to edit your profile. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Country or Region section. Use the drop-down to select the country you're actually in now. After that, scroll down and hit Save. There's one important detail though. If you're on a free account, you can just change the country and keep listening. But if you're on premium, your payment method has to match the country you pick. So for example, if you change it to France, Spotify will expect you to use a French credit card or billing method. And if you've tried all that and it's still not working, reach out to Spotify support. They can help you sort out any account or billing problems directly.